Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you my go-to natural spring makeup look, do my hair, and show you my favorite little spring outfit if I'm going out. It's so cute. Go to like the market or downtown, whatever. It's a great weekend look. So I already have my foundation and my eyebrows done. That's why I look a little bit crazy. And let's get into it. The foundation that I used was the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion, and then on my eyebrows I have the Maybelline Tattoo Studio. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape. I don't know why, but it gets me every time. I cannot say it properly. And I just like to do a dab because when I'm going for more natural makeup, I just find that this can be a little bit cakey under my eyes, and I just want it bright and not cakey. So I'm just gonna take the excess and kind of dab it around places. Sorry about my lighting. Maybe I can fix it. I don't think I fixed it, but hopefully this helps. I have my ring light. Hopefully that it'll help balance it out. And now the sun is coming back. Anyways, doesn't matter. Okay, finishing this. Okay. Hopefully the lighting is fixed. The sun keeps going in and out, but this is the best that I can do. So now I'm just going to take the Airbrush Flawless Finish, and I'm just going to lightly set that, just ever so lightly. I'm going to prime my eyes with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Just take a little bit there, just gently dab that in. I'm just going to set that. Okay, next I'm going to start with my eyes. I'm going to take the Totally Nude by Beauty Creations that I got from Hush, and look, I already dropped it, and this was my favorite shade. Oh, and I just stuck my finger. It's my favorite shade, and I dropped it on the ground. Okay, so I'm actually going to take this Morphe M441 fluffy brush, and I'm going to dip it into this brown shade called Gentle Noise, and I'm just going to take that into the crease. Again, this is like really natural. I don't want it to seem like I'm wearing a lot of makeup. I just want this to be a very pretty light nude look. Now I'm going to be taking my favorite color, Smooth Satin, and it's like this shimmery, it's very hard to tell. And I'm just gonna like try and get as much as I can, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. It's so pretty. I'm gonna blend it out. And then I'm gonna take a little bit and just do the under my eyebrow. Next, I am just going to put on some mascara. I will be wearing some falsies, but I like to do some mascara. Even on natural days, I think false lashes just enhance the look, and I just like that it really gives my eyes some definition and makes them pop. Next, I'm gonna do a little contour. You gotta have contour. And I'm going in my Tarteist Pro Glow To Go. I'm just taking a dab on the end, and I'm just going to lightly give myself some cheekbones and definition. And I'm just going to take some down my nose. And now to bronze up the face, I have Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow, and I'm going to take some of this and just warm up the rest of my face. For highlight, I'm going to go back into this palette, and I'm going to take Gleam on this Morphe Y14 right in there. Right there. Cute. Blush. totally forgot about blush. I am using the Milani Luminoso Baked Powder Blush, and this is really pretty. It's like very peachy and spring-like. I think that this is a really cute shade. And I am using my Morphe Y5 brush. Ooh. Ooh, that's so pretty. Wow, I love this for summer. I'm gonna pop on some lashes, some false lashes, and we will come back with lipstick. I have my lashes on. These are the Ardell 120s, the twin pack. I don't know what they're called. I just know they're 120s. So for lipstick, I have my all-time favorite, number 61 Milani Matte Naked. And I'm not even gonna line my lips. People are probably cringing like, oh my gosh, you don't line your lips, but sometimes I just can't be bothered. And to top it off, this is such a pretty color. This is by CoverGirl. This is their Colorlicious Color Candylicious, and it smells like candy. And I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's kind of got this gold and pink to it. It's beautiful. And it kind of softens up the matte color. So this is my makeup. I'm gonna move on quickly to hair, and then I'll show you my spring outfit. Sorry for the loud noise. They're doing construction right outside my building. I'm gonna be doing these quick curls that I do with my straightening iron. Pretty sure I've shown these before, but I've already sprayed my hair with a heat protector, and I don't go all the way, just kind of do that. And taking big chunks of hair. And for the bottom layer, I pretty much just do it all away from my face. Maybe like one or two, like right here, I'll do towards my face. For the most part, on the bottom layer, I'm doing it one direction. For the next layer of hair, I try to find my part that I'm going to do. I'm taking a little bit less than 1 inch pieces, and I'm only going halfway down the head to get kind of this like beachy wave sort of thing. I don't want it too curly, although sometimes it does. It will relax through the day, but I don't want it to be perfect by any means. Okay, and so now that it's done curling, I don't love to like really tease my hair, but I do need a bit of a lift. This is the BB Thickening Dry Spun finish, and I love this. So sometimes what I do is I just take a little bits on the top. Not too much. Just give it a little comb. Throw that in there, and then I'll just take some teeny. Every time I film, something is happening outside my window. That's my hair. So I'm gonna get ready and show you my outfit all put together. I will see you in a bit. This is my spring summer look. I picked up this top from Nordstrom Rack, and I just love the different color blues on there and the ruffle sleeves. It is so adorable. These jeans are the high-waisted classic skinny jeans from Fashion Nova. I tucked in the top just to emphasize my waist a little bit more. I love these shoes. I picked these up from Old Navy, and they're just such a great neutral color. Lastly, I paired this outfit with really simple jewelry to make it a little more classic. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about my outfit in the comments section down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I will see you again for another video. Bye!